Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rupali Rathod. I would like to present correlation and regression of BCom third semester business statistics subject. In this particular video, I would like to represent regarding introduction part of correlation, meaning, definition and types of correlation. Firstly, introduction part. In introduction, we would like to study regarding the bivariate analysis. What exactly is a bivariate analysis? If we study more than one variable, it is called as bivariate analysis. That is X and Y series. X and Y series. A series, B series. Height of a person, weight of a person. So that can be considered as a series form. So, if we study more than one variable, it is called as a bivariate analysis. That means the change in one variable leads to the changes in another variable. Correlation is the relationship that exists between two or more variables. Correlation is nothing but, as per the meaning, we find like a relationship that is existing between the two or more variable. That is price of a commodity, demand for the commodity, price of the commodity, supply of the commodity. So there is a relationship. Next we find like, for example, relationship between the height and weight of a person. Height and weight of a person. Generally in a school days and all, we used to have that. We used to measure the height as well as weight of a person. Same way, relationship between the quantum of rainfall and yield of wheat, rice, jawar. That means what exactly is the quantity of a rainfall. If the rainfall is very good, we can expect a very good crops, food grains. As it is a rice, wheat, jawar can be in better quantity, that is quintal forms. But when the rainfall is not good, in that cases we find like the food grains, the outcomes may not be good. Same way, when the rainfall is very high, in that cases we are considering it considered like the rain, all the crops may be like damaged, spoiled. We may not get a better outcomes at all. Relationship between the price of a commodity or demand of the commodity. Of course, when the price is high, the demand for the commodity will be less. When the price is less, the demand for the commodity can be considered as a very high. A relationship between the age of a husband, age of a wife. Just it is being compared. It is being considered like as an example. Age of a husband and age of a wife. A relationship between the advertisement and sales. When the advertisement is very good, more and more advertisement has been repeatedly given in the newspaper, magazines, television, in mobile, Facebook, any social media. People are becoming more aware. Automatically the sales turnover can be increased. And if the advertisement is less, and if we did not do any that is advertisement at all, in that cases it may affect on the sales turnover. So for that reasons compulsory advertisement is there. Relationships are there. Meaning of correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is considered as a statistical technique which is being used to measure the degree as well as direction of relationship between the variable. Whether that variables are moving in same direction, either it may be positive to positive, negative to negative. That is whether they are moving in increasing direction, whether they are moving in decreasing direction. Second thing we find like that is directions. Which directions they are moving. That is measures the degree and directions of the relationship between the variables. Correlation is also called as covariation. Correlation is also called as a covariation. As we find that we are trying to study regarding the variables. Variables. Is there any connectivity between the variables? Is there any relationship between the X series and Y series? The measure of the correlation is also called as the coefficient of correlations. Coefficient of correlation. Next we find like definitions of correlation. According to A.M. Tottle defines correlation is an analysis of the covariation between two or more variables. Here we are going to study regarding the two or more variables. According to L.R. Corner, correlation means if two or more quantities are varying sympathy, so the movement in one tend to be accompanied by the corresponding movement in the other. If there is a movement in one variable, the other variables is also moving. Moving in the sense either increase, either decrease. So there is some changes. Something changes in the other variable. That is said to be correlation. According to the types, that is types of correlation. Positive, there are 5 types of correlation. Positive correlation, negative correlation, zero correlation, that is simple and multiple correlation, linear, non-linear correlation. When it is a positive correlation, I have given an example like x-axis and y-axis. In case of x-axis, when x is increasing, there are only 2 variables. As an example, 2 variables are there, x and y. When x variable is increasing, y variable increase. When x variable decreases, y variable decrease. In case of negative correlation, they are moving in opposite direction. When one variable increases, the other variable will decrease. When one variable decreases, the other variable will increase. So there is opposite relationship. But in case of zero correlation, there is no relationship between the variables. That is the amount of rainfall and the marks scored by the students. Simple and multiple correlation. In case of simple correlation, we are going to study only 2 variables, as we have taken an example like x and y. But in case of multiple correlation, we are going to study more than 2 variables. More than 2 variables, 3 or more than that. In case of limited, that is linear and non-linear correlationship. In linear correlationship, same percentage of variation is there. When x is increasing 1%, the other variable y will decrease in 1%. Or in case of non-linear, there is a totally opposite. When 1% increase in gold value is there, but there is creating an impact of 5%. So there is totally opposite direction. Not consistency. See regarding the what exactly is the positive correlationship. In case of positive correlationship, if both the variables vary in the same direction, correlation is said to be positive. That is, they are moving in same direction, either increasing, either decreasing. So moving in same direction. If one variable is increasing, the other variable also increases. And if one variable decreases, the other variable also decreases. Then the correlation between the variable is called as positive correlation. Moving in same direction. Moving in same direction. Either increase or decrease. The perfect positive correlation specifies that for every unit increases in one variable, there is a proportional increase in the other variable. Same percentage increase. If x is increasing 1%, y also increases 1%. Increases only. When x is decreasing 1%, y also decreases 1%. Same way, for example, heat and temperature have a very perfect positive correlation. Heat and temperature. And this region is the best example. Gulbarga, or as it is a Kalyana Karnataka region. They are the best example for the very heat or hot climatic regions. So have a perfect positive correlation. In case of a negative correlations, if both the variable vary in the same, that is opposite direction, the correlation is said to be negative. In other words, if one variable increases, the other variable is decreasing. For example, the price of a commodity increases, the demand for that commodity may be decreasing. Vice versa relationship. Zero correlation is nothing but there is no relation between the variables. No relation does not create any impact at all. Whether that is x increases, y decrease, that is x may increase or decrease, but it is not creating any impact on the y variable. So that can be there. As we see, like age of a husband may be anything, age of a wife may be anything, but it is not the same for advertisement and sales. They are really having a relationship. Simple and multiple correlation. In case of simple correlation, when two variables are studied, it is a case of simple correlation. That is, when one studies relationship between the yield of wheat per acre and the amount of rainfall. If we are having a 1 acre of a land, on that 1 acre of a land, how much is the rainfall and how much we are able to get the outcomes. It is considered as a, that is the in simple correlation we study such type of issues or cases. In case of a multiple correlation, 2 or 3 or more variables can be studied. Sometimes we are preparing the tabulations. In case of tabulations, we find like multiple factors are responsible. Male, female, occupation, literacy, illiteracy. So many things at a time only. Bivariate tables we are going to prepare. So multiple correlation. For example, it is a case of multiple correlation. For example, when one studies the relation between the yield of wheat per acre in 1 acre of a land, how much is the quantum of the, that is wheat, and the amount of rainfall, how much fertilization we have used. So this can be considered as a problems or a cases which we can discuss in case of the multiple correlation. Same way, increase in the price of a diesel and its impact on usage of automobiles by customer. It may be like a bus, railway, air transportation, shipping, anything else we can use it. Linear and non-linear, depending upon the consistency of the ratio of change between the variable, the correlation may be linear or non-linear. Linear in the sense, if the amount of change in one variable bears a constant ratio to the amount if the change in the other variable, then the correlation is said to be linear. If such variables are plotted on a graph, they move in a straight line direction, moving in a straight line, upward, downward, as it is an example like last graphical parts are there we can have it. Non-linear or that is non-linear correlationship. If it is not constant ratio, that is sometime 1:1, sometime 1:2, sometime 1:4, 1:5, anything can be there. But in this non-linear, like scatter diagrams, it will be scatter diagrams. For example, advertisement expenditures and the sales, that is it can form like a curve, not as a straight line. See regarding these things. First one is the example for the perfect positive correlationship. Perfect positive correlation in the sense moving upward only. Either it may be x-axis or y-axis. Both are moving in a same direction. In case of negative correlation, they are moving in a opposite direction. When one is increasing, the other may decrease. In case of zero, scattered forms. No connectivity at all. But when it is a perfect positive correlationship, they are moving in a right direction. Perfect negative correlationship, they are moving downward, that is minus. R is equal to -1. Same way, that is interdeterminant. It is nothing but like straight line as a horizontal row forms. In case of that is opposite, interdependent correlations like linear, non-linear, linear and non-linear. Perfect, that is correlation is nothing but vertical line has been shown, vertical line. Scatter diagrams part, scattered diagrams. Thank you.